Greetings, welcome to Self-Assessment 6, Problem 2. Fred and Wilma purchase a home in Bedrock for $180,000. Using function notation, write a formula for the value V of the house T years after its purchase, assuming that the value does one of the following. So in part A, the value is going to decrease by $1,500 per year. So notice that that's saying take the $180,000 and subtract 1,500 for every year. If we do that, notice that that's going to give us a common difference that is going to stay fixed of 1,500, which means it's going to be linear. So we're going to subtract off 1,500 for each year past the starting year from the original $180,000. So in other words, it is a linear function. So you should recognize this as being of the form of our old pal y equals mx plus b. Okay. All right, let's take a look at part B here. Part B, it decreases by 2% per year. So decreasing by 2% per year, now we're looking at a common ratio. So this is multiplicative, not additive. As soon as we see that situation, now we know that V of t is going to be an exponential. Our original value was $180,000. And then our decay factor is going to be equal to 1 minus 0.2 or 1 minus 0.02, which is going to be 0.98, because 2%, just a little refresher with decimals here, 2% is 0.02, okay? All of that, raised to the t power. Cool. And again, let's just think about the stock function here. This is our pal y equals a times b to the t, right? Where b in this case is a decreasing exponential because we know it is between 0 and 1. All right, cool. Let's go back here and see if we're a linear increase of $3,100 per year. So that would tell us that the value of our home with respect to time is equal to 3,100 times t plus $180,000. So for every year, we add an additional $3,100 of value to the home. Again, that's y equals mx plus b. How about increases by 6% per year? Well, our growth factor then would be 1.06 because our growth rate is 6%. So V of t would equal to 180,000 times a base of 1.06 raised to the t power. We see this as a growth function because b is greater than 1 here. Okay, well, hopefully that helps. That is the only two problems we're doing from the self-assessment. We are not going to do self-assessment problem 3, which is regression for exponential functions. You'll see that if you take a statistics course or some other advanced coursework, but we're not doing it in here.